Welcome back to another episode of Maverick How To. In today's video, this is a follow-up to the install on the Aftermarket Assassins dual suppressor that we just installed here a little while ago. We're going to do some sound testing on it, see what it sounds like with the quiet core insert, without, and then also kind of talk about what we're hearing on the sound and what we think about it. We're going to do some decibel readings as well, so we can kind of see what the changes are both outside and inside the cab. Okay, now we're going to floor it so we can get a mid-range decibel reading. This is the low gear, just a light push on the throttle, putting through the woods. Sound decibel reading. You're looking around 82. Now we'll do the low, a little bit in the higher RPMs. Now we're going to do high in a cruising. Now we're going to do high in a more higher RPM, faster speed. High gear at a cruising speed. All right, this is the cruising test in high gear with the windows down. This is the quiet core insert, start up and go. We're going to try the sound with the windows up, as these are the factory upper canvas windows. Has a rear panel and a full windshield, which does make the sound really resonate in here. Now, I don't have the information offhand from when we recorded it as stock to know the difference, but let's see what we have here on idle. Let's do it in low gear, see what this is inside. As you can see, monitor the RPMs here. Now we'll switch it here, put it in high. Okay, now let's test it out with the windows being open and see what kind of sound we get inside here. This is with the quiet core insert out. Okay, so here are the numbers on the exhaust sound readings. I will be honest when I say I wasn't sure how this was going to turn out. I spoke to my contact at Aftermarket Assassins and they assured me I would definitely like the sound and overall performance. By the numbers, you can see the average you can save in decibel sound can vary. I would say that the average is around 2 to 4 decibels depending on the RPMs over the stock muffler. Removing the quiet core just means adding a more aggressive sound plus an extra 2 decibels average to the output of the exhaust with the quiet core installed. So that's by the numbers, but how do I feel as a driver? Well, I can say the interior drone noise was removed without the stock muffler. That high-pitched sound really got to me. To be honest, it's not a significant change without a clutch or programmer upgrade. I think you'll notice a slight change in power and acceleration. I know I did. Positives of this exhaust. Well, you'll get a great sounding machine that does lower the sound slightly, but at the same time looks very sporty over the stock muffler. So in a final review of what I think about this machine with this dual suppressor from Aftermarket Assassins, I think it makes a major difference in terms of cruising. You get rid of that high-pitched whining noise you would hear from the stock exhaust. Now it's a little more tolerable to the ears, and it definitely just sounds overall way better. I like to leave the quiet core insert just because I don't want it to be that much louder in the cab, but if you're looking for a more sporty, wide open ripping sound, it does sound really cool with it out. But quiet is more what I'm going for right now. So I would say on a scale 1 to 10, 10 being it's worth it, definitely worth the money if you're trying to make the machine a little bit quieter. And a special thanks to Aftermarket Assassins for collaborating on this video, hooking us up with this at a discount so we could make this video for you and give you a good heads up on a product that they make that's very nice and very worth it if you are a RZR XP 1000 owner. This is for the 2024 and 2025 up. If you're looking for an install video, you can check out the prior video we have on this. It's a full install start to finish. And overall, that's really easy to do too. So very fine quality. And if you're looking for any more aftermarket things for your ride, head on over to Aftermarket Assassins. You won't be disappointed. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see you out on the trails.